So, so today I'm going to record RB Music Studio Kim Anthem to re-record because we recorded this years ago. To re-record it for what really? But anyway, I'm going to record it and record with me. And I just really hope that the neighbors won't complain because this song is my fault because I wanted this beat, this hype, and I'm going to do it in chunks, so I will not kill myself repeating all over again. It's been a while. Let's go! I have here the lyrics because I cannot memorize like everybody else. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a leap of faith. Sail away from the shore for hidden genius. No more excuse cause we I really hope the neighbors won't mind because it's so loud. Leap of faith. Sige be. Dapat amen. Lawit pagid gamay. I am going to supon because I want to hear the amen and then the transition to the next line. So 3, 2, 1. Counting for myself. Hindi ko convinced. Hello. Ay, ganyan. Una-una. Bago ka sa up. Begins. Begins. So as you can see, my sun pa karon why na ni sun. It's actually 7:33 p.m. So sorry neighbors. Like taking chances, nothing to lose. Sail away from the shore. Pabosan ko na lang eh. You did not nail your favorite part. Hindi siya no. It's like bam bam bam. Wala siya dapat. Relax lang. Chill. Do wala ti. Kung sudan, do wala sang asin, do wala bala, do wala sang chinoto. Kaya hindi ko kabalo mag-fade out, I will just step back na lang. Ayun na, pag inigano ng last note. Ay, nagkakabasura. Wait lang guys. For the meantime, pastoryahan ta na yaton nga carrot sa ulo. Ang gulo naman nito. Sino composer nito? Sail away from the shore for hidden genius. No more excuse cause we know what we're amen. Ayun o. Try natin yun. Be? Manual ang fade out.
Ayaw, di ba?
Hindi ko kabalo mag-autotune. Why niyo autotune sa RB? Pero kulibag kalibago na eh. Kung di ka gusto maglibag, tinadlungon mo eh. Practice to relax gawa. For we dare to shoot the sky and land on the moon and stars like fearless eagles soaring. Ay, luha! Ay! Fearless eagles like fearless eagles soaring high at RB, we always believe we are. Hit man ang soaring. He's my friend, a man, yet a God, he's my friend. Success is who we are. Bagon. Feeling ko libagon ko. Hindi mo na feeling. Libagon ko dyan. Libagon. Bungol. Libagon kaga. Problema niya kantaman sinugi mo na. Like eagles flying high. Nalipat ka sa lyrics. Ang style ko na. Hindi ko bila feels. Wala din na nga party. Ang beginning mo bala. Beginning. Oo, muna ang para do. Kalmahan. Kalmahin lang. Ay, kaunta na hindi ka mamagamo na ha. Kalait. Success is who we are. Touching the moon and stars. Like eagles flying high. Always believe we are. Alagsanay. Alagsa to do. Always believe we are. Always believe we are. Our beginning, our believing, okay, our becoming. Ano ang gusto yun na di man? Kay may to be, Hambal sa imo to be, imo to be. Beginning to see success is who we are, becoming to be what we believe we are. Diba, hindi ko gusto. Are becoming. Okay. So far. So si sinuna gani do si Vanessa Hudgens nga. Taga mo na siya wala. One time pa bi. Nusulan mo gini karon. Are becoming to be what we believe we are. Ay, sobra ka. Hindi ka pwede magsobra. 8:12 p.m. We are. Laway siya. Success is who we are becoming. Nadula na sa ginawa to. Kigan nga kitang drummer mo. Tapos sige akati mo sa beat. Balatian gid na yan. Our beginning, our believing. Hindi man naman ito nung sa personal. What we believe we are. Ito nang ginot kulpi. Ay, lo, ay. Udah nga betan eh. What we believe we are. What we believe we are. Betan ko. Dumoy-rahan na lang binay. Quiz, ba't tinaasan mo naman ng todo? Quiz? Paano kita mo na sa bike? Paano ko mag-untat? Kaya kung i-break po todo. What we believe we are! Do, bunggo na sa. Sabi nila, karoon bala basi, may nagkasyagait. Tibla ko mag-talks, nak 911 la. Ito kinapa. Or imonta naman ang aton nga manual fade out. Manual fade out. What we believe we are! Do, naglibag siya. Gamay. Laway ba? So, gabi na. To see, to be. Try to be safe. Tapos pumatian sa speaker.
Connected to empty Savasa.
Tunog din sa mga akong voice, I think. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a leap of faith away from the run-of-the-mill we dream. And we never stay by taking chances, nothing to lose. Sail away from the shore for hidden genius. No more excuse, cause we know what we're aiming for. We are becoming. Pero sanda tong eagle yung kayo na. Like fearless eagles soaring high at our beat. Like eagles flying high. Diba ako to hindi pa man muna. Libat to itong. Libat to itong. So there's a teeny tiny bit of changes to the edits. Let's hear it. Becoming to be like eagles flying high. Didn't like the you know what part. Again. So this is love. So this is what makes life divine. And now I know. La 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 la. To sigig tubilan na hindi pa ako naka-memorize. To see, to be. Muna ako na lang, be. To see. To be. We are becoming. Okay to, be. Palagpat to do. Kaya, do relax ba lang ang pag-intro balaho. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a leap of faith. Do may ano na siya ba? Do may damil na siya? Do may Ajinomoto na siya? Feeling ko daw ako pa si Tinong JM sa ipa-uliwat. One song, I have it, one song, one love only for you. I'm wishing for the one my love. Pero but first, we listen. we listen to this one. I'll keep on loving you kung sadyang di ako sigaw at tibok ng puso mo. Wala na. A journey of 1,000 miles at RB, we always believe we are beginning to see our beginning, our believing, our becoming, we believe we are. Introduce yourself, yes. So, ang mga nanay, and we'll have Nong JM listen to it and have us delete everything and do all over again. But that is it for tonight.